During this cruise, we will show you the city from the water and explain the sights. This cruise, we will show you the city from the water and explain the sights. Enjoy this cruise. If an emergency occurs and you must leave the ship, life jackets are located at the back of the boat. Put these on when leaving the ship.
Not on this boat, one moment, the other one.
If an emergency arises and you must leave the ship, the seats of the couch or chair are your lifesaver. Take these with you while leaving the ship.
Yeah, we should. We should take the seats with us. Yeah.
On your right, you can see the Central Station, which was opened to the public in 1889. The station was closed in order to keep up with the growing number of travellers. On top of the semicircular roof, you can see the classical symbol of the Nederlandse Spoorwegen, the Dutch railways, a wheel with golden wings. Architect Parvez designed this traveller's palace in 1880.
Cycle parking building.
This parking garage is the old parking garage. It's not allowed to be used anymore. That's all thanks to UNESCO. Amsterdam Center is on the list of UNESCO. And they decided that bicycles from Amsterdam are too ugly to stand around the station. So they all had to be gone in a circle from 100 meters. So in the last part between the two bridges on the water, there's a parking garage of 7,000 bicycles. And at the outside of the station they paid 2 new parking garages of 3,500 bicycles each. And they are still constructing bicycle parkings. So yeah, this one was for 3,000 bikes. It should be gone already. It's still there.
Many residents of Amsterdam have bicycles. Cycling is one of the fastest ways to travel across the city. That is why you can see so many bikes parked everywhere. It is one of the major parking problems in Amsterdam. Every day, the municipality removes hundreds that have been parked improperly. Amsterdam has more bicycles than residents.
I'm not sure, but it doesn't sound like it. There are sand blasting the bridge that could be very loud, so don't be shocked. Let's move it. We have, by the way, 1.7 million bicycles in this city and 930,000 owners.